Now, we're going to be starting this ride at a little place called Sharp Park. It's on the Beachmont Road, just outside the small town of Canogra. We're then going to head along the Upper Coomera Road, and the Upper Coomera Road becomes Illabar Road, and then probably about 10 or 12 k's along the Illabar Road, we'll turn right up to Tabletop Road, and that takes us all the way up to Layheys lookout. Now, please, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing. Subscribers mean a lot to us, and it helps us improve the channel. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please hit that like button and that notification bell to get hit with more updates. Here we go, Layheys lookout. And I also have to apologise in advance. My GoPro had a dirty lens, so the GoPro shots have this kind of dreamy feel to it. You'll either like it or hate it, but once again, I apologise. Now, here we go. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, me and John Boy, we're going for a quick day ride today. First time we've done this trip. Up to Layheys Tabletop, Lamington National Park. He wants to test his new e-bike. See if he can get up there without pedaling. But he is getting old, so he probably needs it. We'll catch you later. Well, John Boy, tell us about your bike.
Well, it's an e-bike conversion. It's an old giant Rome that I converted with a B-Fang mid-drive motor. Pretty easy to do.
How much was it?
$1,250, everything.
Do you have any help?
Yes, I had someone help me pull the crank out because you need a special tool.
Right.
I a tool, but I wasn't confident in doing that. But apart from that, it's pretty straightforward.
What about any other YouTubers?
I'd like to say a big shout out to Johnny Nerdout, who was the inspiration, and he did give me a tip when I emailed him, so thank you very much, Johnny.
John Boy's electric bike. Beautiful day today. Bit of cloud, which would be nice, bit of shade. I think by the time we get up there, we got up the road called Tabletop Road. I think it's a 500-meter climb, so that's going to be good for the heart. And we're just going round down one of those Australian roads again that are third and gravel on the edges. Well, we've just come along Illabar Road, about 10 k's, and we're going to turn right now and go up Tabletop Road. Got about a 500-meter climb. Up this little gravel road here, all the way up there, just to the top of the ridge, then all the way down there, over to around about there. Now, John Boy, do you think your e-bike's going to make it? You reckon you're going to fly up there? Full power.
Full power.
Oh, this is good. Gravel. Not quite at the top. I think this is the gate up here, the end of the road. There we go. At the top. Look at the view. So at the bottom there is Layheys Road. Me and John have done that before. Going back that way, you've got the ridge to Canogra's the other side of that. We've got Mount Tambourine in the distance here, and then this top ridge here is Beachmont. Woo. And the good old Australian no entry on a gazetted road.
I don't know if that's legal though.
I don't know if it's legal either. How was that, John? What goes up must come down. I take it you'd be riding full power down here, would you?
Right.
Let's go. You're recording all the way, are you?
The advantages of having a convert your own e-bike here.
So what's your tips?
My tips?
Yeah, for converting your own e-bike.
Is go online, have a look at all the YouTube videos, especially Johnny Nerd Out. He tells you precise instruction how to do it. Anyone can do it. Okay? And then just go online and look for a reputable dealer. I got mine from Alibaba Express. $1,250, and it got here in about 7 days. The whole kit and caboodle.
Nice. So, how do you feel about not having a pedal?
Easy. See you later.
Now that concludes this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. Once again, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.